Birthday chilban. The birthday chilban, capsicum fruit essence, commonly called cabai rawit in Indonesia, is a small but very spicy chili variety. It usually grows between 14 and 18 centimeters tall. Within green leaves and small with flowers, the fruit is short and slender, measuring 2 to 4 centimeters, and turn from green to red when ripe. The chili is highly valued for its strong health and economic importance. Farmers cultivate in tropical areas with fertile soil, good drainage, and rough land. Harvesting typically takes place within 19 to 100 days after planting. Cabai rawit is widely used in Indonesian cooking, especially in sambal, sauces, and spicy dishes, making it an essential household ingredient.